This is Earth Geometry, and the year it's 2019 GCE, and it's question 10B. So we are going to answer together this question. So this question, it reads as, the points K, L, and M are on the surface of the Earth as shown in the diagram below. Take pi as 3.142 and radius as 6370 kilometers. So this is the Earth here, as you can see. This is north, south. This is L, 50 degrees north. The longitude is 60 degrees east. The latitude 45 degrees south. The longitude 30 degrees west. So the first question reads as, find the difference in longitude between points K and L. Find the difference in longitude between points K and L. Between which points? K and L. K and L. So you indicate K and L is equal to. So they want the difference in longitude between points what? K and L. Since this is distance along latitude, so what do? You add the longitudes for the letters. What is the longitude for K? It's 30. So you say 30 plus, what is the longitude for L? It's what? 60. So you say plus 60. So what is 30 plus 60? You get 90. 90 degrees. You end there. You get your 2 marks. We come to number 2. Number 2 says, find in kilometers the distance. Find in kilometers the distance. L what? LM. LM. So once you are calculating distance along the longitude, once you are calculating what? Distance along what? Longitude. Along what? Longitude. This is the formula. How do you know this is the longitude? You can see they say the LM. This is distance along longitude. So you say LM is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. This is the formula you use once you're calculating distance along the longitude. What do I mean by longitude? This line. As long as it's in this line, this is the formula you use. So AO is equal to, now how do you find this theta? How do you find the theta if you are calculating distance along what? Longitude. If you are calculating distance along the longitude line in this line, you add the latitudes. Latitude for L is what? 50. Latitude for M is what? 45. So what is 50 plus 45? It's 95. Over 360 times 2 times pi, they gave us, it's what? 3.142. 3.142 times radius, they gave us, it's what? 6370. 6370. So you get your calculator, you punch, you say 95 divided by 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 6370. What do you get? You get LM equals to 10, 5, 6, 3.22944. So most of the time, if in the question they didn't specify to the number of significant figure, you should leave your answer to 3 significant figure. always, if in the question they didn't specify where to leave it to the number of significant figure, always leave your answer to 3 significant figure. So here it will be LM is equal to 1, 0. You get 1. You get 1 from 6. You give to 5. It becomes what? 106 kilometers. This is how you leave it. You don't leave it to the whole, just leave it to 3 significant figure, because in the question paper they say if in the question it didn't specify, leave your answer to 3 significant figure, and 0 if it's in between numbers it is a significant figure. Be careful with it. 0 only if it's at the end, then it's not a significant figure. We come to the last one, which is what? K what? KL. Find the distance in kilometer KL. K what? L, meaning this distance. They want you to find this distance. K what? L. KL. And this is distance along what? Along latitude. Distance along latitude, there is cos at the end. So that's what you see. So since they want KL, so you say KL is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r cos theta. Why is it cos theta? Because this is distance along latitude. If you're calculating distance along latitude, there is a cos. That's the only difference. So how do you find the angle if you're calculating distance along latitude? If you're calculating distance along latitude, you add the longitudes for the letters given. The longitude for K, it's what? 30. The longitude for L, it's what? 60. So you add 30 plus 60, you get what? 90. So KL is equal to 90 over 360 times 2 times pi, we know it's 3.142, times radius, we know it's what? Radius, it's what? 6370, times cos. What do we put here on the theta? Have you seen where the letters are passing? KL, the angle where it's passing, it's what? 50. It's the one you put where it's cos theta. So you say 50 here. Then you get your calculator. You get your what? Your calculator. You punch all this. You say 90 divided by 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 6370 times cos. Cos what? 50. You get KL is equal to 6432.54963. Then the final answer, you say KL is equal to 64. You have seen? 6430 kilometer. You end it there. Thank you very much for following.